Hey there, guys, and welcome to the Financial Spotlight. Thanks for joining me. I know it's been a minute, but I wanted to come on here and make sure that I got a few work from home, I'd say side hustles on here for you so that you can start doing them as soon as possible and making a little bit of extra money. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. So this first one is called Testing Time, and I worked for them a few times. And basically what you'll be doing is looking at websites that they give you and just giving your feedback on them. So let's look at the website. This is their website, Testing Time, and basically you are giving feedback and shaping the future. And just scroll down, and we just want to go over what it is that some of the companies that you might test for. And let's see. These are frequently asked questions. What can I earn? So you can basically I earned about $10 per test that I did. So it actually varies in the test. And the way you sign up to be a tester is you scroll down here, click on sign up as tester, and then you just provide all of your information for them. So your name, your date of birth, all of that information. And then I'm sure that they're going to ask you some other things specific to you so that they can give you tests or surveys and everything that relate to you directly. Let's see, another company that I work for is user testing. Now, I've talked about this a little bit in the past, but I worked for them for many years. At least, I think I've been working for them for the past 4 years. So, in order to get started, you need to put in your email address, and you will basically go into a site, a user testing site, once they approve you, and you can make from $10 all the way up to $120 per test. So what I usually do when I do the test, it takes me about a maximum of maybe 10 minutes at most to do one test. And these tests are just basic questions. It could be about a store that I frequent. And the store could be, they might ask me, how the experience is online with this particular store. So is it easy to navigate their website? Does it help me with customer service? Or it might give me a link to go to a site that has not actually been set up yet, but they are working on it. And they want me to test out the site and let them know how user friendly it is. So there's various ways to make money with user testing, and these are all the companies that you would do testing for. And all you have to do, like I said, is just sign up, and they will email you every single time there is a new test posted on the site. They'll email you. Now, there are two types of tests with user testing, and I know a lot about this because I do them all the time. There's tests that you can do on your phone, so they're called mobile tests, and then there's tests that you can actually do on the computer. And They will have sometimes a camera on there. Sometimes they want your no, not sometimes. They always want your microphone on, access to your microphone, because you have to talk through your test steps as you're going to navigate the different websites. So user testing is a great way to make a little extra money on the side, especially if you just, sometimes when I would need an extra $100, I would go in and try to do at least 20 tests for the day and see if I could get paid from 10 of those. And then I would get the money, and it takes them a week to deposit the money into your account, and I would get the money from them. So user testing is a really great way to get a little extra cash on the side. And as always, I will, so right here, they give you a sample of how the testing goes. You see that as it's moving up? And, but yeah, I'll leave the link to this site in the description box for you. And then the last site is called Userlytics. Now, I have worked for them a few times. Their prices or payments range from $5 to $20, and they pay you via PayPal. The other ones do too, I'm sorry. So user testing pays you through PayPal, and so does testing time. So they all pay you through PayPal. And this one, I think they paid me within a week after I did the test. Yeah, and they're similar to user testing because you can do the tests on the phone, on your cell phone, or you can do them on the internet, on your computer, and you'll be paid to test apps and different websites. And you have to make sure that you're over 16 years of age and in order to do these tests. So it's really good if you have a teenager, they're about, a teenage child, and they want to make a little bit of extra money, but they don't really want to work, at a store or any restaurant or anything like that, but they'd like to make some extra money. This is a great way for them to do that, and just to get to give their feedback on different websites and how those websites work. And of course, down the line, once they get or they start working, they can use this as a stepping stone for social media analysis or whatever on their resume. So for your computer, for desktop tests, you'll need the desktop computer, a Mac or a PC. You'll need a website or a web browser. You need a microphone like I was talking about. And for some tests, you do need a webcam. And with your cell phone, same thing. The phone, the microphone, the camera. And you also need to download the app. So let's click on sign up now and see what happens. I don't know why it's going back up here. Oh, because you have to put your email address in, and I'm not doing that. So you put your email address in here. Sorry. And you put your email address in here, and why does that keep coming up? And then you sign up that way. So these are, like I said, these are great sites to use if you want to make some extra money. User testing, Userlytics, and testing time. and they pay you within a week, and they just give you a little extra bonus money in your pocket if this is something that you can do in your spare time. So I hope this has helped you. Please pass this information on to others, and make sure that you subscribe to the Financial Spotlight channel, because I'm going to continue to share more information like this for you to increase your wealth and help you know your money. Have a great one. Bye.